In this part of the video, I will complete remained part of the topic seasons. Okay, let's start. From mid September to mid December there is cool dry season. ये हम सभी जानते हैं बच्चों, मिड सितंबर और मिड दिसंबर से हमारा जो होता है ये कूल ड्राई टाइप का मौसम होता है इसमें. दिस इज द टाइम द मानसून रिट्रीट्स. इट first retreats from the north and temperature start falling in October. As the sun's vertical rays start shifting towards the Tropic of Capricorn, the low pressure area starts moving south and wind finally start blowing from land to sea. This is called the northeast monsoon. The dry spell of the cool or cold season is broken in later part of December and in January by the arrival of the westerly depressions, which causes some rain in the northern parts of India. This is known as the cool wet season. The northeast monsoon causes rainfall in this season in Tamil Nadu as the winds passing over the Bay of Bengal pick up some moisture. This phenomena explains why Tamil Nadu that remains dry when the entire country receives rain, gets rain when particularly the entire country is dry. Another thing which becomes evident is that almost all the precipitation in India is caused by the monsoons, and it is primarily orographic in nature. Cyclonic storms provide only a little rain, mainly in the north. Okay, students, now I will explain importance of monsoon. कि monsoon का क्या महत्व है. Monsoon is the main source of rainfall in all parts of India. India being an agriculture country डिपेंड्स हेवली अपॉन रेनफॉल. बच्चों हम सभी जानते हैं कि भारत प्रधान देश है और जो हमारे देश की कृषि है वो मोस्टली रेनफॉल यानी कि बारिश पर डिपेंड होती है. अगर पानी बरसता है तो फसल अच्छी होती है, नहीं बरसता है तो सूखे की स्थिति आ जाती है. द एग्रीकल्चर कैलेंडर ऑफ द कंट्री इज देयरफॉर गवर्न्ड बाय द मानसून. एनी fluctuations in the monsoon may lead to conditions of floods or droughts and the agricultural production in the country suffers. This has a telling effect on not only the primary sector of the economy but also the secondary activities, as a number of industries depend on agricultural activity for raw materials. Failure of monsoon thus means a shortfall in food production, and it also affects industrial production. Besides this, as a large majority of our population depends directly on agriculture, any adverse effect on farming affects the purchasing power of a large majority of our people, thus affecting the demand for industrial goods as well. Due to these factors, it is not only the farmers but the entire population of the country who await eagerly for the burst of southwest monsoon. Okay, students. नेक्स्ट इज क्लाइमेटिक रीजन्स यानी कि जलवायुवी क्षेत्र. India can be divided into a number of climatic regions. The western areas in the western coastal parts of Assam fall under the category of tropical rainforest climate. This region receives more than 400 centimeters of rainfall in parts of Mysore and near Cherrapunji, which receive the highest average annual rainfall in the world. It lies here. The temperature in this region never falls below 18.2 degrees centigrade, and in summer it may be as high as 29 degrees centigrade. The tropical Savannah climate covers most of the peninsular region except the semi-arid zone east of the Southries. In this region, the temperature remains 18.2 degrees centigrade, and the range of temperature is also high. However, the rainfall is limited in amount and is seasonal in character. Tropical and subtropical steppe climate extend over large areas in Punjab, Haryana, Kutch, parts of Gangetic Plain and some parts of peninsular region. Temperature in this region falls below 18 degrees centigrade in the winter season but may rise above 30 degrees centigrade in summer. The tropical semi-arid steppe climate covers the shadow area of Sayodris and parts of Maharashtra. Temperature remains between 20 degrees centigrade and the 23.8 degrees centigrade. Parts of Kutch and the western parts of Rajasthan are included in the category of tropical deserts. These regions receive a rainfall of less than 25 centimeter and they experience a very high range of temperature. In summer, the temperature may even rise up to 50 degrees centigrade. Subtropical climate with dry winters covers most of the northern plains from Punjab and Assam along the Himalayas. The Himalayas and the Karakoram range are included in areas identified as having a mountain climate. Here the temperature and rainfall vary according to altitude and the aspect of the slopes. Generally, the south-facing slopes of the Himalayas are warmer and wetter than the north-facing slopes. Now we will read about floods and droughts, यानी कि बाढ़ और सूखे के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। ये दोनों ही कंडीशंस हमारे लिए बहुत हार्मफुल होती हैं। जब ज़्यादा रेनफॉल होता है यानी मानसून बहुत ज़्यादा होता है तो फ्लड्स की स्थिति उत्पन्न होती है और उसी तरह यदि मानसून बिल्कुल ना के बराबर होता है तो हमें सूखे की स्थिति का सामना करना पड़ता है। बोथ फ्लड्स एंड ड्रॉट्स आर अ रिजल्ट ऑफ वेरिएशन इन द अमाउंट ऑफ रेनफॉल। द मानसून मेक्स द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रेनफॉल इन इंडिया नॉट ओनली अनइवन over space but also over time. Firstly, the rainfall is highly concentrated in a few months of the year and the dry season is a long period. Secondly, the variability of rainfall is very high in most parts of the country. This results in great deal of fluctuations in the time of the onset and withdrawals of monsoon and actual amount of rainfall in any given area from one year to the other. Even a slight delay in the onset of monsoon may cause severe droughts in many parts of the country. A slightly higher than normal rainfall may, on the other hand, cause serious floods in many parts. Due to the behavior of the monsoon, many areas in the country experience a drought as well as a flood in the same year. तो बच्चों इस चैप्टर को बार बार पढ़िए and try to do exercise work yourself. Okay, thank you students.